What's good, YouTube? Today's video is actually 2 videos in one because I had 2 short videos and I didn't want to post 3-minute videos. So we put those 2 together. First video is me putting denim on a leather belt, and the second one is me turning my dad's pants into shorts. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be putting some denim on this brown belt I got from the Goodwill bins. So right here I am just cutting up all of the denim scraps and placing them on the belt, so then we can pin those all together and sew it. This is my first time doing a black patchwork like on a belt, so it actually turned out really good and I'm definitely going to do it again. So we don't need the belt anymore. We already got the length of the belt. So now I'm just placing more denim scraps on it so it'll be, more detailed. And this is it right here. So here we are at the sewing machine, sewing the denim scraps together. Scraps together. Now I'm outlining the belt, but I had a better idea. I just sprayed on some Gorilla Glue spray and put the patchwork on the belt so I could cut it out. Definitely way easier that way. And now I'm just clipping it all down so nothing will fall off when I'm sewing it. And this is it clipped together. Here we are at the sewing machine. Make sure you guys are using a universal needle, heavy duty machine, because this can mess up your machine with like heavy leather and denim together. It was actually pretty smooth, but it can break your needle, so be careful with that. So this is the belt right here sewed up. The patchwork sewed onto the belt. Now we have to do the holes right here. We have this belt hole puncher, a pin, and whatever that is. We are marking out 1 inch for each of the holes. They're 1 inch apart. And I think I used maybe 3.5 on this belt hole puncher. Not sure though. This is the finished product of the belt. Turned out really good. This is available on my Vinted right now, Wake Up Saturn. This is the back of the belt. So next project we're doing, my dad wanted me to make some of his pants into shorts. So that's what we're doing. We did 3 pairs. This is the first pair right here. I'm measuring some of his other shorts so I can have an accurate measurement for the shorts. And these are the second pair. He wanted these the same length, so I went ahead and cut that. And he wanted these a little shorter. This is the third pair right here. And we're back to the second pair. We are clipping the hem so we can sew it, and we're doing this to the first pair also. So this is the first pair all clipped, and this is the second pair all clipped. Now we are at the sewing machine with the first pair doing the hem. The first pair. Now we are moving on to the second pair. So second pair and the first pair are done. Now we are going to be moving on to the third pair of shorts. So this is me right here clipping the third pair. These were a little harder to clip because the fabric is very lightweight. Third pair is all clipped, so now we're going to take it to the sewing machine. Realized I wasn't actually sewing anything, so I had to readjust the clips and change the bobbin. So we are back to actually sewing again. Actually back to sewing again. Here we go. And these are the third pair all finished. This is the front. This is the back. Turned out pretty good. He likes all of them, so that's great. And these are all the pairs together. And that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. The black patchwork belt is available on my Vinted right now. Wake Up Saturn. So if you like that belt, you can go and buy it. Available right now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.